Are you ready to travel, to virtually explore the world? Join me on today's adventure to the Pergamon Museum. The Pergamon Museum is located in Germany and is most known for having the Pergamon altar and the Ishtar gate. What you will need for this virtual field trip is a computer with Google Streets access. Are you ready to go check it out? Let's do it.
In Google, search for the Pergamon Museum. On the results page, you'll click on the map view here on the right-hand side. We're looking down on Berlin, Germany. We'll need to zoom in to the museum. I'm going to use the zoom tools here on the right-hand side of the page. But as you zoom in, click and drag to bring the museum to the center of the page in order to continue zooming. If you have a wheel on your mouse, that also works as a zoom tool. So I'm going to click and drag to recenter, and there we go. You want to see the outline of the buildings. Now let's grab Mr. Pegman, our street view friend, down here in the bottom right-hand corner. Click and drag him on over. Make sure to drop them along a blue line. Drop. All right, we're inside the Pergamon Museum, and we are looking at the Pergamon altar, one of the most famous pieces of architecture in this museum. You can click and drag to take a look around. You'll see arrows up here where you can click and move forward. Cool, huh? If you want to explore another part of the museum or get stuck, you can click on the left arrow up here in the upper left-hand corner. And I'm going to click and drag to come to this side. Grab my street view friend and we'll drop them here. And let's take a look, see what we find here. Some statues. Cool. Let's back out and head to another building. I'm going to head on over here and drop. All right, looking at some paintings. And on some of the paintings here, we have a blue dot where you can click to find out more information about it. Close out of that, and let's continue exploring. Let's head to one more building before I set you off on your adventure. Come on over here. Grab our street view friend and we'll drop them in right here. So as you can see, there is so much to explore with this museum. So I hope you take the time, see what you see, figure out what's your favorite part, and join in with the guided activities.
So what did you see? What was your favorite part? I hope you continue to explore all that this museum has to offer. And we will see you on the next virtual field trip.